Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create customer accounts on Shopify. First thing you do is log in with your normal credentials on www.shopify.com. Bring it to this home menu and then from the left menu over here, click on customer accounts and then choose the login link. You can put a login link there if you want and then show login link. So you're saying that you allow the login link in the header of the online store and a checkout to be shown. So it's on here. You can go to edit your login link. The next time, choose the function of customer account you want to link to. Is this customer account normal or legacy? If this customer account normal, customers log in with one-time code sent to their email, no password. If it's just legacy accounts, customers will create an account and log in with email and password. Depends on you. Let's do proper. Under customer accounts, you can set to turn it on or off the save returns, which means to allow customers to request and manage their returns. Customize what the customer can return with return rules. Next one, we have store credits. Allow customers to see and spend store credits. Turn it off if you don't want it, turn on if you want it. URL. Use this URL anywhere you like customers to access a customer account. You can click on manage or just copy it out this URL. See the link here, copy the link from here. It's as simple as that. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.